In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your very own song using Suno AI. Whether you're an aspiring musician or just someone who's curious about music production, this is the guide for you. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up Suno AI on your device. It's such a handy tool that makes music creation accessible to everyone, no matter your skill level. Once you have it open, you'll need to log in with your credentials. If you haven't already created an account, don't worry. It's a quick and straightforward process to sign up. Now that you're logged in, the fun starts here. On the main dashboard, look for the New Project button and go ahead and click on it. This is where your creativity will begin to take shape. You'll be presented with several options. You can either choose a specific genre if you have a particular style in mind, or if you're feeling adventurous, you can start from scratch. Selecting a genre gives you a preset framework that you can build upon, which is great if you're looking for some inspiration or guidance. Once you've made your choice, it's time to add some musical elements to your project. You can incorporate vocals either by recording your own or using AI generated ones if you prefer. There's a treasure trove of instruments at your disposal, from digital synthesizers to traditional strings or drums, allowing for a rich diversity in sound. If you're using AI generated elements, Suno AI provides a variety of options that can help you explore different musical landscapes. Don't hesitate to play around with these. It's about finding the sound that resonates with you and fits your vision. After you've got your various elements in place, it's time to refine your creation using Suno AI's editing tools. This is where you really get to personalize your song. You can adjust the tempo, tweak the audio levels, and manipulate the tracks to edit and perfect them to your liking. Take your time here to experiment with different combinations until you find something that you're truly happy with. The editing tools are intuitive and user-friendly, designed to enhance your music-making experience without overwhelming you. Finally, when you're satisfied with your composition and ready to share it with the world or just keep it for your listening pleasure, make sure to save your project. Suno AI makes it easy to do this, ensuring your work is secure and accessible. Once saved, proceed to export your song. You can choose the format that best suits your needs, whether you're uploading it somewhere or simply adding it to your personal collection. And there you have it.